Hello everyone and welcome back to A to Z Healthcare channel. Today we are going to talk about the amazing health benefits of turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. Turmeric milk has been cherished for its medicinal properties for centuries, and we are about to explore why it's so good for you. So let's dive right in. Benefit number 1: Anti-inflammatory. Benefit number 1: turmeric milk is a potent anti-inflammatory. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps reduce inflammation in the body, making it effective for managing conditions like arthritis. Benefit number 2: boost immunity. Benefit number 2: it boosts your immunity. The antioxidants in turmeric help strengthen your immune system, keeping you better protected against illness. Benefit number 3: adds digestion. Benefit number 3: turmeric milk adds digestion. It can help relieve indigestion and reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Benefit number 4: better sleep. If you are struggling with sleep, turmeric milk may be your solution. It contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which can help improve sleep quality. Benefit number 5: heart health. It's heart healthy too. Turmeric milk can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and promote cardiovascular health. Benefit number 6: improves skin health. Benefit number 6: it improves skin health. The antioxidants in turmeric milk can give you a healthy, radiant complexion by reducing skin issues. Benefit number 7: eases menstrual pain. Benefit number 7: it eases menstrual pain. Drinking turmeric milk helps reduce the severity of menstrual cramps and discomfort. Benefit number 8: supports brain health. Benefit number 8: it supports brain health. Curcumin has potential cognitive benefits and may help prevent or manage neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Benefit number 9: manage diabetes. Benefit number 9: it can help manage diabetes. Turmeric may regulate your blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Benefit number 10: reduces allergy symptoms. Benefit number 10: it reduces allergy symptoms. Turmeric milk anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate allergy symptoms and nasal congestion. Benefit number 11: anti-cancer properties. Another incredible benefit in its potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that curcumin in turmeric may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Benefit number 12: liver detoxification. For those interested in detoxifying the liver, turmeric milk supports liver functions and aids in the removal of toxins from the body. And there you have it, 12 amazing health benefits of turmeric milk. Whether you enjoy it hot or cold, incorporating this superfood into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.